Hey guys, what's up? It's Andrew from Notes and Electrons, and in this video I wanted to quickly teach you how to bounce your WAV and MP3. So if you finished recording and mixing a song and want to upload it to YouTube or SoundCloud, here's how to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is solo the tracks that you want to bounce. So I'll do that there. And then once you've done this, there's actually two ways to go about bouncing. The first way is to go to File, Bounce, Project or Selection. And then from here, you'll see PCM, which is WAV, and MP3. If you're bouncing an MP3, you're going to want to do 320 kilobytes per second, as this will be the best quality. The second way how to do it is just hold Command B and the same menu will pop up. Now if you're bouncing in WAV, make sure the sample rate is 48,000. And something else that's important is if you're getting your beats in MP3, bounce in MP3. If you're getting your beats in WAV, bounce in WAV. Converting back and forth between WAV and MP3 will just make the sound quality decrease the more you do it. So make sure you're sticking with either WAV or MP3. Before you're ready to bounce, one last thing is you want to make sure that your loop bar is the size of the song. So this will prevent your song from being bounced with a lot of dead space at the end. So this looks pretty good. And then you just go ahead and bounce. You can save it as any name and you can decide where it goes. So I'll just keep it as this. And see how it stops right there. That signals that it will end there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on how to improve your music game. Drop a comment and make sure to subscribe.